Clean the top of the sink with a rag. Place the gasket on the underside of the faucet and insert the faucet as shown. Turn the nuts counterclockwise to secure the faucet to the sink. Disassemble the drain. Apply plumber's putty to the underside of the flange and attach. Tighten the nut onto the drain body. Apply thread sealant tape to the drain pipe threads, and thread the drain pipe into the bottom of the drain. Install the stopper, then connect the trapway. Remove excess plumber's putty. Attach the supply hoses to the faucet. Attach the supply hoses to the water supplies and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Turn on the water supplies. Check all connections for leaks. Turn the key counterclockwise to remove the aerator. Turn on the water to remove debris from the faucet. Turn off the water and reinstall the aerator. Thank you for choosing Kohler. Click on the links in the video description to register your product and learn more about the Buckley Centerset bathroom sink faucet.